welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to apply dip powder nails for the very first time. So this video is absolutely beginner friendly if you do not know how to apply dip powder nails. They're super easy and safe to do at home without using a LED or a UV light lamp to apply it. Gel nails typically last about 2 to 3 weeks, while dip powder nails last up to 5 weeks. Before we jump onto the video, I just want to say a really big thank you to Glamour Dip for sponsoring me in this video and for sending me out their products to try on that I absolutely love and so appreciative about it. So even though this video is sponsored by Glamour Dip, all opinions are 100% mine. So this is the packaging guys from Glamour Dip. It is quite a big box because there's a lot of products in here as well. So if you guys decide to get this one, this is actually the Dip Starter Kit and it retails for $119, but right now there is a sale at the moment for $99, which is a huge bargain. When you guys open the box, it also comes with some Dip Perfect system instructions booklet that you can look here. Otherwise, the easiest way that I would see on how to apply these nails is if you still need help after this video, check out their site. They do have a really short tutorial on how to apply their dip powder system. So inside the kit comes everything that you need to apply and remove the dip powder nail. So it's super simple and easy to use. This is just the removal as well that you get here. So inside the kit, you actually get to choose 2 different colors of dip powder guys. So I chose this light pink one and a orangey red tone. So in this kit that you'll get is 2 different nail files. One is actually used to buff and shape your nails, and the other nail file is to actually remove the top shiny layer when you do decide to remove your dip powder nails. You also get this brush as well to brush off any excess powder. And these are the 4 main kits that you need to use to actually apply the dip powder nails. What I love most about the Glamour Dip nail system is actually their formula. So their formula is actually made with Aussie grown botanicals, minerals and vitamins as well. They are a non-toxic alternative to other nail methods such as gel nails, shellac nails or acrylic nails that can be damaging to your nails. In case you guys don't know, the Glamour Dip system also has a hypoallergenic formula. It is also vegan and cruelty free as well, so it is super safe and healthy alternative for your nails. It helps strengthen your nails as well at the end of applying them. that is the end of this video. If you guys love this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment if you guys tried these and let me know on how you find them. If you guys do prefer applying gel or shellac nails, I did make a separate video if you want to check out in the link in the description box down below. Thank you so much, guys.